I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Persona 3 FES on PC. First, you'll need to download the PCSX2 emulator, which is essential for running PlayStation 2 games on your computer. Make sure to get it from the official source to ensure safety and proper functionality. Next, acquire the Persona 3 FES game as an ISO file. Once you have both, install PCSX2 and follow the initial setup wizard to configure your controls and video settings. After the initial setup, it's time to fine-tune your game settings for the best experience. Navigate to the graphics plugin settings to adjust resolution, aspect ratio, and texture filtering. You can often increase the internal resolution for a sharper image than the original console. Then, set up your preferred controller, whether it's a keyboard or a gamepad, ensuring all buttons are mapped correctly for smooth gameplay. To further enhance your Persona 3 FES experience, consider looking into community-made patches. These can offer widescreen support or even improved textures, making the game look even better on modern displays. If you encounter any performance issues, check the PCSX2 forums for common troubleshooting steps, like adjusting speed hacks or changing rendering modes. Remember to use save states frequently for quick saves and loads. With everything configured, you're now ready to dive into the world of Persona 3 FES. Simply open PCSX2, select Boot ISO Full from the CD/DVD menu, and choose your game file. The game should start and you can begin your journey. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy exploring Tartarus and forging social links in this classic RPG.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.